Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna install shore power in the transit van. I bought this Noco GCP2. This right here is a plug where I could have it on the outside, an outlet on the outside where I could plug in some power and then have power in the inside of my van without having to route my cables through the window or through the door. You know, a lot easier. This Noco GCP2, I bought it off of Amazon for like 25 bucks. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Let's install this bad boy. So right under here, this is where I'm gonna install the port. I'm gonna take that off and install it right there. So this piece, I'm gonna drill a hole right through there. This is the AC port plug two-way splitter. I thought it'd be nice to have a two-way splitter. They also have just the regular one cable. Maybe that's better, maybe I messed up. Let's find out. That's what I got right there. So it comes with like that. 18 inches, 3 screws. Tools, you're gonna need a drill with a 2-inch diameter hole saw. I bought a hole dozer. I bought this for like 30 bucks on sale. I will be using, this one is 2-inch. Got a drill. Alright, safety guys. Even though this is like a small little job, you want to be protected at all times. You know, there's always these tough guys that say, hey, I don't need freaking safety goggles. Those same guys are walking around with one eye. Pretty good. Not too bad for a glory hole. Haha, you guys know the joke, right? If you know the joke, comment down below. Let's see. All right, looks good. So I'm gonna take this extension cable, I'm gonna route it in the van, down, plug it to this, and bring it up through the van. All right, so I'm gonna route it right behind the AC unit, and then go all the way through this hole over here, and then drop down. See that right there? Then I'm gonna drop this down. Alright. Here are the screws they gave me. Alright, we're all connected. As you can see, if you look here, it says input 0 watts. Go around and plug the power in. A little bit hidden. Can't really see it from the outside. Bam. 220 watts. Alright guys, so that's how I installed shore power in my transit van. I didn't want to drill any holes on the side of my van, so I opted to go underneath the van. Really easy. All I needed to do was buy this port right here from Noco, and then I needed this hole drilling set and a screwdriver, and that was it. Alright, if you guys like this video, just stay tuned for some more van build videos. Alright, see you in the next one. Peace.